Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, February 4th and 5th, 2017. We're going to have high pressure control here Saturday. It's going to be off to our south, sitting right about here, but it'll be close enough to us that we have that dry air and sinking air, so you're going to have a mostly sunny Saturday. Still cold, though. Temperatures are going to be very similar to what they were on Friday, barely getting to freezing, or perhaps in some areas not even getting to freezing. But it will be a mostly sunny day, and very little in the way of clouds for a change. So we go a little bit forward from this point and check out Sunday now. This little system here we've been talking about all week, and a very weak system that's going to be going off to our north. Doesn't have much precipitation with it. It's mainly going to be for the northern half of the coverage area. A few passing snow showers and maybe some flurries, and that's pretty much it. Further south doesn't look like you get that much. You're away from the best forcing, so there's really not too much going on there. We go over to the NAM just to take a look at this, and you can see starting this off at 7 a.m. on Sunday, you can see some light shower activity, snow shower activity this would be for across the area. You can barely see it here, just these light grays, and that's about it. Next frame here is 10 a.m. You can see concentration of that generally will be for the northern half of the coverage area, but barely a mention here as far as what's the activities that's going to be going on at that time, and that starts to pull away during the afternoon, and we have improving conditions in the afternoon. So this is primarily just a Sunday morning thing, a few flurries, maybe a passing snow shower, and very minor accumulations at best, and we're looking at maybe a coating in some places, but I wouldn't get too excited about that for that system here on Sunday. We will start monitoring temperatures a little bit as this system leaves, and we're going to have temperatures go up to at least slightly above normal here for Monday, but we do go back to mostly sunny skies because, again, we have high pressure sitting right off to our south, so that dry air and sinking air kicking back in gives us the mostly sunny day here on Monday. Tuesday's a different story, though. We have clouds that are going to quickly increase, and we do have the opportunity ahead of a warm front to see a little bit of icing, primarily just northeastern Pennsylvania. We actually took dimensions of ice out of the forecast for east central PA and southeast PA, kept it in the northwest New Jersey area here for at least at the onset to have some icing here, and I do think this is going to probably occur just in those areas ahead of this warm front. It's going to be moving off to the northeast. It's going to be very brief. It's not going to last very long. Just a little bit of sleet freezing rain. But once this warm front moves through, as I'm showing here, this is going to change over to rain everywhere, and you're going to have those showers continuing here on Tuesday, again into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Now, you could have some locally heavy rainfall possible with this, but I don't think it's going to be an overwhelming rain event, but definitely enough to send our alerts to our My Pocket meteorologist members, exceeding the half-inch threshold, we think, over many areas within the coverage area, so it's enough that we can send. It'll also be a little bit breezy as this front starts to pass here on Wednesday, probably during the afternoon on Wednesday, and then we get colder with temperatures dropping here. Early highs on the day on Wednesday will occur generally in the morning, and then we'll start dropping off during the day as that front passes. And then behind it here for Thursday, we have a few maybe residual lake effect type snow showers and flurries behind the front here. Otherwise, Thursday gets back to a partly cloudy day, and then we have a little bit of a breezy conditions here because you can see these isobars are very closely aligned here, so that when that happens, it means you have a stiff breeze coming in here. So a northwesterly wind coming in, generally 12 to 18 miles an hour with higher gusts, of course, over 30, and that will be here on Thursday. But we do get back colder again behind this front, and we stay that way here on Thursday and Friday to round out the week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is our outlook for the weekend, February 4th and 5th, 2017. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.